Scene: Dad and his 6-year-old daughter sit together on the couch, dreaming about her future as a mall keeper. Dad: Hey, sweetie. I was just wondering, what do you want to be when you grow up? Daughter: I want to be a mall keeper. Dad: A mall keeper. That sounds interesting. Why do you want to be a mall keeper? Daughter: Because then I can have all the candy stores and toy shops. And I can eat candy every day. Dad: That sounds like a lot of fun. But what else do you think a mall keeper does? Daughter: Well, I would make sure all the toys are super fun. I would have a giant slide that goes from the top floor to the bottom floor. Dad: A slide. That would be amazing. But what if someone gets stuck on the slide? Daughter: Then I would have a rescue team with fluffy puppies to help them down. Everyone loves puppies. Dad: That's true. Puppies make everything better. So, being a mall keeper means you'd have lots of fun things. But why do you want to be rich? Daughter: Because then I could buy all the toys in the world. And I could have my own unicorn. Dad: A unicorn. That sounds pretty special. What would you name your unicorn? Daughter: Sparkle, of course. She would be pink with rainbow hair. Dad: Wow, Sparkle sounds like the best unicorn ever. What else would you do with all that money? Daughter: I would buy ice cream for everyone in the whole world. And we could have ice cream parties every day. Dad: Ice cream parties sound like a dream come true. But what if someone wants chocolate and someone else wants strawberry? Daughter: No problem. I would have an ice cream machine that makes every flavor at once. Everyone gets what they want. Dad: You really thought this through, haven't you? So being a mall keeper is not just about being rich, it's about making everyone happy too. Daughter: Exactly, Daddy. If everyone is happy, then I'm happy too. Dad: That's such a sweet way to think about it. You're going to be an amazing mall keeper one day. Daughter: And you can come visit me and ride the slide with Sparkle. Dad: I wouldn't miss it for the world.